Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert an arrow shape in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to add arrow shape. At first, go to the home menu. Select the new slide drop down menu. Choose blank slide. Then we go to the insert menu. Then we select the shapes drop down menu. We can see here many shape. Now we go to the block arrow option and we can see here many arrow. You can add the left arrow, right, up, down, or the left right arrow. Now I am select the left arrow, then draw the arrow to this page. Now we can see we insert a arrow shape very easily. You can change the color, select the arrow and go to the shape format menu, change the shape fill or the shape outline. Otherwise you can add any style, click the style drop down menu and choose any style. Now we can see we insert our arrow shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.